It's a baby bird. I don't know what kind, but it's obviously a baby bird.
Punched in the neck.
I don't know if it's a pigeon.
I don't know, but he's getting ready to take off.
It's a bird with like.
Here he comes.
Yeah, exactly. There's
That's what
something
I'm
wrong
thinking.
with it.
Marty, keep it as a pet. Look at that.
It'll come back.
It's already here.
Fly away. It'll be back. I
Seriously,
promise.
look at the feathers. It is a baby. It's already
I
here.
know, but it's still hanging off his neck. like
Marty,
a
go
worm.
Marty.
It's weird. Let me
What?
see it.
It thinks it's yours
Yeah.
already.
It needs to get-
Marty, grab a piece of bread and we'll put him in the yard so he.
Marty's
How close
like,
can
it's
we
like a
get?
vulture.
Oh, he'll, like,
It's
yeah.
like, wait a minute, I got a big
Dang.
ass cage for it, but it
Its
won't
neck
fit no
is all
more.
messed up.
I know. But he's moving fine and he flies.
I know, but he's too
I
close.
can't even believe it's still actually
Go
like
ahead,
frozen.
Jay,
He's
get
like,
it closer
I
up.
actually can't believe they're that close.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's too close. Something's wrong with it.
That's pretty close.
I got
Is he asking for help?
bread.
Oh my God, you're feeding that nasty
No, don't feed him up here. Feed him.
Once you feed
Throw him
it,
down
he'll
there.
be here at Marty's house every
Like if
day.
you get a big piece of bread, maybe he'll go down there because we don't want him to you.
Or put one next to him and then throw it down. Or put one next to him.
Yeah, you put one
Put
next.
right here on the table.
It's gonna go like this.
Oh,
Now he's gonna do that.
he did it.
Who made the stuff with the tiny
Go get it.
Like a pigeon or something, right?
with pepperonis?
Yeah, suddenly salad and we just put
Too big? Nope.
You're supposed to take off with it, dummy.
Pigeon.
It looks like it's dead.
You're gonna get it? I
I think it's a
put
zombie bird.
gloves on.
It's gonna eat your
Put him
face
down in the
off.
yard. Don't hurt him. Just put him down in the yard.
It's gonna eat your face.
Wait. Let's see what's wrong with them. Those are like guts sticking out. So go take him to the yard.